So, it has occurred to me that this Furman unit, the power conditioner distribution unit, is kind of old. It must be nearing 20 years now. 17, 18 years, I reckon, ish. And I haven't switched it on in about 10 years. It's been sitting in Jacques Larac in a corner of me gaff. Haven't switched it on in years. So, I'm thinking it might be wise to just leave it switched on under no load, okay? There's nothing plugged into it. So, it's effectively under no load, except for its few LEDs and shit, right? And its own internal consumption of energy. I'm going to leave it switched on for an hour or two while I chill and have a few beers. Just to let it warm up again, let it get used to electrons again. It hasn't seen them in a while, 10 fucking years. Just in case, because it's not the kind of thing you want to put under stress after a time in storage like that. When you need it to work, and if it falls over, the shit hits the fan. No. So, tomorrow after I wire up the IECs and the D-sub audio snakes in the back of this, and I'm able to pass a signal, then I'll switch it on again, leave it on for another few hours with these units connected and powered on. Not necessarily doing a whole lot, but with load as such. But I'm going to give it an hour or two now while I have another couple of beers. Just sitting there, getting reacquainted with electrons and holes and all that good shit. Just in case. Because at Richie's Beer and Gear, we like to be kind to the gear. We love our gear and our beer. Shazam!